Seventh one, write a Python class that has two methods, get underscore string and print underscore string. Get underscore string accepts the string from the user, and print underscore prints the string in uppercase. Okay, simple one. So we have to convert the given string into an uppercase. Okay, if you written a small letters in the given string, so it will convert into the we have to convert that into the uppercase. Okay, simple. We have done using upper method. You can easily convert a given string into uppercase, but we have to use a get string and print string here. Simple. Get string method and print string method. Get string method take the input from the keyboard, and print string method just convert the given string into the uppercase. Simple. Okay, using class, using class, use class and create an object and just convert the given string into an uppercase. Simple one. Just try on your own. So in case if you won't get it, just look at this code here. So just take a class string here, empty, this one only. Okay, and define underscore init. So constructor here. Okay, empty constructor here, take a empty string here. So get string method and self.html equal to enter a string from the keyboard here. Okay, so get string, get the string from the keyboard, and print string and convert the given string into uppercase. Simple. String dot upper method. Upper method is if you want to convert the given string into uppercase, use upper method here. Okay, from the given string here. Okay, self is a self is a variable, contains a memory location of a class. Class members nothing but a variables and methods. Okay, self is a variable, contains a memory location of the class members. Okay, class members nothing but a variables and the methods. These methods and the variables constructors. Okay, so memory location. So through with memory location only we can call this string here. Okay, out of upper method, just create an object and call the get string and print string here. Simple. Suppose I am entering here, enter a string, output small letters Python. So we get the big letters here Python. Okay, so these are all upper method and everything we have done earlier exercises. So if you practice, you can easily get this one. Okay, get string and print string, everything. Okay.